Welcome back, everyone. Today, let's head out to Mineral County, Nevada. We'll be searching for the oldest standing building left in Mineral County. As we travel down the dirt road, best known as the Hawthorne Fletcher Road, we will come up to a small creek called Rough Creek and an old ranch and ranch house. Here, we will find our next clamper marker in an open lot next to the barn. So let's go ahead and take a look at 9 Mile Ranch. 9 Mile Ranch. The history of 9 Mile Ranch has a long and interesting past, beginning with the Paiute Indians who inhabited this area long before John C. Fremont's expedition into Nevada in 1843-1844. According to Fremont's journal, he camped in this area along a little creek now known as Rough Creek in January 1844 on his way to California. Fremont's camp was in the approximate location of 9 Mile Ranch today. With the discovery of gold in Aurora in 1860, this area was destined to become a main route from Carson City to the booming mining camps of the Esmeralda Mining District, of which Aurora and later Bodie were featured destinations. Along this route, stage stops were established for the convenience of travelers. Over the years, the 9 Mile has been known as Cobb's Rancho, 9 Mile House, 9 Mile Station, Green Station, etc. But 9 Mile Ranch is what shows on most modern maps. Notable people in history are known to have visited the area, including John C. Fremont, Kit Carson, Mark Twain, Governor James Nye, and J. Ross Brown, to name a few. Dedicated September 2018, Copper Queen 1915, Outpost of Julius C. Boulay 1864, Eclampus Vitus.